What is up, guys? Today I'll be installing this Rexing V1 Dashcam on my 370Z. This is probably the best one I could find for about 100 bucks, and it's really nice. It got Wi-Fi, it got 4K quality, and it's just best bang for the buck, I guess. So the worst part about installing Dashcam is you have to hide the wires, and some cars easy, some cars hard. And I'll show you how I hid mine. So just follow along. So I'm gonna tuck in my wire under the headliner, go through the pillar, and then down somehow and get it to the cigarette lighter right here. So on YouTube there are barely any videos showing you how to remove this pillar on the 370Zs. I'll show you how to remove it. So the most important tool you'll need is a trim removal tool. So first, just pop this speaker trim open and just set it aside. Once you do that, then put the trim right over here, and then just pull it slowly, gently, so you don't break any clips. And see, it should be open enough for you to run the wires through. So I use the trim removal tool and tuck the wires in the headliner. Then I ran it through this pillar right here, and somehow I'm gonna tuck it in right to the weather strip, and I'll tuck it in under the dash and make it to the cigarette lighter. So put the pillar back in, just push it in, and it should pop right back in. You maximally tucked in the weather strip inside the pillar, so just use the tool and just try to take it out as slowly as possible. So the install shouldn't take that long. It's just the hardest part is tucking in the wires and hiding them. But here's a sample video of my dash cam. It's really great quality and I really like it a lot. It's definitely worth it, and it's only 100 bucks, maybe even cheaper if there's some discount or something applied to it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. I'll leave the link to the dashcam below in the description, and I'm not sponsored at all by this dashcam at all. Well, have a great one, guys. See ya.